world sings a violent tune under a shattered moon, a blur of steel and fading light, pushing the needle past the red line. The future's born from this design. We're racing the dawn of perfect crime. We're racing the dawn of perfect crime.
So let's see exactly. This is the search bar, right? So let's see which one we are going to see. It is File Explorer, means file manager of your computer. And just remember this File Explorer, and below it, what is written? System. So system means actually your operating system. So system software, right? It comes under that category. Click here, all right, and then see file manager is open. All right, see how very well the file is organized in a computer. Go to the home option and you can see what is possible, right? How a computer allows you. All right, you can see move. All right, you can copy, paste, you can delete, you can rename. All the options are given, and in one platform. You don't have to go here and there. So these are the tools, these are the options, and thus we have already learned in class 4 how to create the folder, how to create subfolder, and this already you have done. All right, so this is the duty of your file manager. You can see left hand side all is organized well. All right, every file is presented with a beautiful colorful icon. Folders are in yellow color, other files are in different color. So this was your file manager. So again, go to your taskbar. We will go for the other. All right, that is your backup utility. So the moment you click backup utility, again you see below it what is written. System means it comes under the category of system software, right? So you have to see that how it is going to work. And you can see cloud storage. All right, I have two options, right? In computer it gives you two options. So what you have to do you want to take a duplicate record in your backup PC, or you will transfer to other computers? See, your computer on which you are working, you can do there also, and you can take the record of your computer to the other computer. Imagine you are going to buy. So let's see, I have chosen that same computer, and see the message. Last backup means I have set automatically, and it is already done 28th of April 2026, right? It has already done. So I don't have to do, although I should do weekly. So it means my backup duplicate record is already created. So backup option is already there. If you want it, you can do from there, else you can cancel it. All right, like you can see, my backup is already done in a fresh date, so I don't want it, so I'm going to cancel it. Right, now next utility, guess what it could be? Yes, what do you think? Which utility we are going to discuss? All right, two already we have covered. All right, so this is the program menu. All right, file explorer already we have covered, backup utility already we have covered. So what is your guess? Right, compression. Yes, it is a compression software which help us to reduce the size. Okay, and you can see computer management is also there. All right, that help us to disk management. So let's see first disk management. All right, so in the disk management, again children, it is done by the expert people. Without knowledge you do not touch your computer. All right, so disk management, you just click over there. Okay, and you can see it will show you different option. How many partition of your hard disk is there, it will show you all. Its status, it tells you, right? Its status just like a doctor, it is healthy or not healthy. So you're healthy or not healthy means, is it working, no error is there, no virus is there. All right, if you want to scan, if you want to erase something, directly you can do from here. So if you go to the disk management, and what task you want, do you want to refresh it? Okay, do you want to rename it, you want to create something, whatever. So this is the way how in computer we can do the disk management. But be particular about that, that you should not handle it yourself, as you are only class 5 student. Okay, if anybody else watching from anywhere and you are senior or junior, you have your own computer, you're allowed to do. All right, so this is the suggestion, be careful. Now let's see about the file and how we can work with it. All right, so here we have seen that send to option. Okay, so compressed folder. All right, here it is the compressed folder. So if you want any file, okay, to reduce its size, the best way to create, all right, to create a zip folder, you can see on a folder a zip icon is there, right? So like this, you check out first of all, like on my desktop there are many icons, right? Many icons are there. Now what do you think? All right, what do you think? Which one you want? So right click, go to the properties and check its bytes. All right, this is for the experience. Although expert people do not do because they know they have to reduce. So first you check out because you want to compare it. All right, so then choose any file, whichever you want. Like this one, I have selected a video file. It is there. Okay, so I will check it that what it is. A size on computer in bytes. All right, most of them in lakhs of bytes. All right, and thousands of mbs are there. So transfer is very difficult, you cannot transfer heavy file. So first of all we have to reduce, then check that how many files are already there in the zip folder. So just drag and drop inside the folder, and again you can check, all right, that what is the size of your folder, of the zip folder, and then according to that you can share. Okay, if you want to create, you can create. You can check its property, always right click on the particular file to check its property. All right, remember to check its property with the help of that right click. All right, so zip folder, that zip icon is very important. You have learned two types of a folder, all right, in class 4. So you just remember it which one you want. All right, so better go to the new option and you can see zip folder and proper name, compressed folder, right? Already the name is there, so by the name you can identify that this is my compressed folder and I have to put any file over there. Okay, in practical session already you have done. Student, this practical is already not given in your book, but I am here to explain you. All right, I'm just trying to explain you that in which way you can do it practically. Although theory part will come, but if you know some practical, at least there is a chance you can explore it. All right, so my suggestion is there, this was all about your utility software. All right, you can check each and every file, you can drag and drop. All right, scanning, right? Last topic is your scanning, and just click on the scan. If you have antivirus software in your computer, it will do it. Okay, but make sure antivirus software should be there in your computer. And now see, it has scanned, and it is saying if you want quick scan, full scan, what kind of scanning you want to do. And see, it is saying no threat is found, means no bad file is found, no virus is found. All right, my computer is quite safe. So this is the way how you can do it.